Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today you guys, we're going to be cleaning outside. I'm going to be cleaning off my back patio. I need to wash my windows, as well as I'm going to change out my area rug that I have out here as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my windows that are right here on the back of the house. It's been a while since I actually had the chance to get out here and clean these windows. And I should have done this months ago, but I didn't have the time, so I'm going to be doing that today. And I'm just using the same glass cleaner that I use inside the house, which is my favorite glass cleaner, which is spray wet.
No, I realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and change out my area rug on my back patio. So this portion of the video is sponsored by Ruggable. So Ruggable is a company that makes washable rugs. So basically your rug will come with a rug pad, and then you'll also come with a cover. So the rug that I've chosen is an 8x10. It is an outdoor rug. So the 8x10 rugs that they have do come with 2 rug pads, and the rug pads is basically has like a Velcro on top, and then almost kind of have like a flat base at the bottom, so that the rug cover can adhere to the Velcro. So the 8x10 does come with 2 rug pads. So as you can see, I'm doing here, I'm just going ahead and trying to position the rug and see how I want it, and then putting the rug pads together. Now I did end up moving the pads a little bit closer together, so I'll be able to attach the rug cover. So this is the rug cover here, and I chose a real modern, neutral aesthetic pattern for this rug, and I absolutely love it. I love the fact that it makes my space a lot more livable, because I don't have to worry about it getting stained or dirty from the elements, because all I have to do is just remove it, throw it in the washing machine, and wash it, and it's good as new. So I absolutely love that. So I love the pattern on there. I think it fits really well with my patio furniture and the overall aesthetic of my space. And then looking at this rug from up close and far away, you wouldn't even be able to tell that it's an actual rug cover. It looks really good. So I absolutely love it. So thank you to Ruggable for sponsoring this portion of the video. Make sure you click on my link in the description box down below to save 10% off your order.
Too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the light. Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you?
Now, usually I have my furniture pretty much covered most of the time, especially when it's heavy rains or things like that, especially during the winter. I usually have it covered, but since it's been so hot for so many weeks down here, we haven't had any rain at all. But I do get leaves and dirt and debris and things like that from when you're cutting the grass, and things like that actually fall onto the furniture. So what you see me doing here, I have a rag that's wet with a little bit of soap, and I'm just kind of spot cleaning the cushion.
I said that I needed you. Like a late night, some you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark?
I know you guys had some questions about what I had growing or have growing in these large patio containers. Well, I have all of my herbs growing in these containers, and the containers I did get from the at-home store. Besides that little one on the ground, that one came from Home Goods last year. But that larger one, I have all of my herbs in there. I have some basil, rosemary, I have some sage and some parsley and thyme growing in that one. And then the medium one, I have 2 different types of mint growing in that. And then that little small baby one down on the ground there, down at the bottom, I actually have some strawberries that are growing in there.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny.
But now I'm just going to go ahead and clean the windows on my she shed. So this is how the she shed is looking so far, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. My husband did a wonderful job with putting it together. So now we're going to be working on the inside. So he still has to put some insulation and drywall and things like that inside the shed. But now the outside is completely done. As you can see here, we painted it. So I'll have the colors linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested, because it is similar to the same color that's on my house. And then the trim paint color is like a really pretty soft sage color. I didn't want to paint this door black like on my patio. I wanted to be really soft and just serene, because I'm going to be using it as a office, plus I'm using it as a garden shed too. So I just wanted to be really nice and dainty, and then just be really nice and like relaxing feeling. So I'm just taking my same spray way and I'm just going ahead and cleaning off of the door and then the windows on the shed as well. My husband also made these cute little window boxes for the shed as well. So I have some plants planted in there. I think I have like some lantanas and things like that, but some of them have since died because it is so hot outside. It's been in the triple digits down here, so it's just like hard for stuff to kind of get established when it's so hot and humid outside. So I might have to end up replacing them with some different flowers. But yeah, but the shed, I absolutely love it. As you can see here on the left, I still have to paint that little piece of trim. So we're almost to the finish. We're to the finish line on the outside, and we're working on the inside. But it's just a work in progress. But I absolutely love how it has turned out so far. So it's absolutely everything that I wanted it to be. I want it to be, you know, an extension of my garden, and then I also want it to be a workspace as well. So I think we accomplished that. So it looks really, really nice. So now I'm just going to change out my throw pillows on my sectional. So I originally had some pretty yellow ones out here during the spring, but summer I'm going to just put some neutral ones down. I actually picked these pillows up last year at Home Goods. I absolutely like it because it's black and white, and then it matches the overall aesthetic of my patio space. Now, only exception is these are not outdoor pillows. These are just regular plain Jane house pillows. So if it does rain, I do have to come out here and bring them in the house, because as you can see, they have that down insert in it. But I absolutely love it because I think it matches the patio really well. I'm still trying to find out or figure out what I want to do to this back wall. I know I do want to add some type of metal artwork, or I would like to have some type of trellis put up there behind it with maybe some clematis or something like that that can kind of grow up it and add a little pop of color and some greenery. Only thing is, there's no planting space back there to actually put the plant in. So I'm still working on what I want to do for that little back wall back there. But nonetheless, it still looks good. So I actually have this little side table over here. I bought this table from World Market. I actually had it, I have two of them because I had this in my living room at one point, but I decided to bring it out here on the patio. It's just a marble table with a metal base, so it's perfect for this space. I'm going to add these lanterns that I got from Balsam Hills. These cute little planters from Home Goods that I absolutely love. These were actually very inexpensive. They were like $12.99 each. So I thought this would be perfect to kind of fill in the space on this wall as well. So I just added these little snake plants that I had lying around the house in there. Then also I wanted to add in another little floral to kind of hang down on the shed. So I'll list the name of this plant across the screen, or I'll list it down in the description box, you guys, if I can remember, because I can't remember offhand what it's called, but it does bloom really pretty dainty purple flowers. So it absolutely is very gorgeous. So I thought that would be nice to kind of add a little bit of greenery to the top of the shed. So now I'm just taking my watering hose and I'm just trying to give it some water, because like I said, it's so hot outside. So I just planted it up in this cocoa fiber, so I just wanted to give it a little bit of water. So if you guys are new here, or if this is your first time ever seeing my face, welcome. My name is Trina. I share home decor inspiration. I also do some cleaning videos, a lot of interior styling and outdoor styling. As you can see, I'm just now starting to get into gardening. I started that new garden bed behind my shed there. I still have to plant up the other side, but it's like I said, it's been so hot I haven't had the chance to do it. But yeah, so this whole garden space is pretty much brand new. So we started this back in December or January, one of them. So I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys will stay around and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here if you love this content and you like seeing these kind of videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by and watching another video. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I